Now we got that a little too hot. It's starting to smoke on me. I got in too big of a hurry. Well, hey, if you made it this far into the video, I deeply appreciate it. You're in the shop, Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs at home. If you're here, then you either like hot rods, you want to learn how to fix them professionally and cheap on a budget, or hey, you're interested in something else like classic trucks, air-cooled cars, even Porsches. Well, thanks for stopping by, but most importantly, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, because it means so much to the growth of this channel. I don't usually ask that question, but hey, we give the subscribers of this channel lots of free t-shirts and hats, meet and greets. So hey, join the family, hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime. Now let's get on to today's video. All right, so today we're gonna take a little stab at fixing this glove box door. Now this glove box is on this 74 Porsche 911. Now these boxes are very typical to be screwed up like this. You can get lucky and find you a good used one, maybe affordable, or you can not get so lucky and have to buy a new one. Now I'm changing the color on this car, so it's worth trying a little trick. So here's what we're gonna do. Heat gun. Heat is what did this, and heat, I hope, is what's gonna fix it. So let's take a stab at fixing this glove box door. As you can see right here, it's curled up real bad. This side's curled up not so bad. The top is curled up a little bit, but we're gonna cover it, so we just need to get it close. Let's see what happens. We're gonna take one corner at a time because we need to hold on to it for a minute and let it cool off. Now we did the same thing on the dash, if you can remember back a few videos ago. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this over here just in case it starts to pull material from this way. Once you heat it, you can see how easy it bends back down. I believe it's going to work pretty good. We're going to let that cool off and see if it stays in place. Now, I'm not saying this isn't going to curl back up, but this car will probably be a climate controlled car for the rest of its life now that they've gotten to be so expensive and collectible. Pardon the glasses. Yep. They really help my eyes see better. All right, so we're halfway there. Let's let that cool off for a minute. Let's try this corner. We're going to sneak up on this repair. Now we got that a little too hot. It's starting to smoke on me. I got in too big of a hurry. But I believe it's going to work. Let me keep playing with it and I'll bring you back shortly. All right, now this rubber pad is actually glued on to the metal part of the dash. So what we're trying to do here is just heat it up and get it to form back in place. Then we'll glue it down with some of that good stuff. So what I've done, now that I've got all the corners back down, I've put the aluminum strips across here, and I'm gonna heat it again and see if we can't get this to form in place. And as I heat it, I'm gonna tighten these C-clamps up. Not too much to where we're going to leave impressions. All right, we're gonna let that sit there and cool. We'll come back and check our workout here shortly. All right, all right, so here it goes. It's been sitting for a little while while I went and had some lunch. Y'all tell me what you think, what you really think. It needs, we need to glue it back, of course. I don't know if the heat activated the glue or not, but I tell you what, it feels solid. It's, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna change the color on it so we can wrap it with some closed seal foam, sand it, just like you've seen in some of the upholstery videos, and then cover it with leather. And I tell you what, I'll be happy with it. You know what? It's my car. I'll be happy. I just saved some money. Well, let's take a look at it. It's been about 2 months since I started this video, and this is what it looks like today, sitting in a climate control garage. Everything looks perfect. It's ready to be wrapped with leather and detailed, and I believe it's a 2 thumbs up on my end. I didn't have to buy a new dash. All right, so if you're still here, you must have liked it. So now you can hit that subscribe button. Like the video, give me 2 thumbs up, whatever you want to do. But most of all, get out in the garage and go build something. Now let's go for a ride in the roadster. Don't go anywhere.